AI Agents Empire review. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll do the review for this training program or guide AI Agents Empire. They forgot to put S here in agents. So S is missing because S is right here and S is also right here and S is everywhere here. So I'm assuming the product name is AI Agents Empire. They just forgot to add S here. Kindly do the needful. So we are on the sales page right now. The product will cost you $19. Before you go and buy, you need to watch this video, watch my review till the end, okay? Now, before that, there are some links below my video. So I will, divide this video in three parts. First part is going to be the review, obviously. So we'll do the review first, after which we will talk about how do I make my real money, and I will give you those methods. There are many links below. Don't get confused. I will explain everything one by one, okay? So I will talk about in the second part of the video how you can make money on the internet just like I do, maybe on YouTube, maybe with email marketing. I'll explain everything in the later part of the video. And then I will give you these bonuses, okay? So I'll explain how you can get these bonuses in the end, all right? And obviously, if you buy this from me, then you will get the bonuses. However, I will talk about what are these in the end. And then I don't think the links for this product will be approved. So I'm not sure if you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video or not. Okay. So far it shows pending and I don't think they will be approved. That's what I think. Okay. Anyways, but I have my own product. So when you come below my YouTube video, in the description, it says check out all my Warrior Plus products. You click on that link and I have some cool AI products for you. Okay. So this review to profit AI is live already and this launch to profit is going to be live maybe next week. So if you want, you can click here, open link, and check out the sales pages of these products. Okay, review to profit. Come and watch the demo video. This generates the prompts and everything. So go and check out the demo video in your free time. And then launch to profit is the coolest software so far. And it's going to generate the content all within dashboard. You have to go and watch the demo video. We'll talk about this in a moment after that, after this review. Okay. So let's do the review. While you copy and paste from AI, someone else has already built a system that works for them 24 hours a day without them being present, and the gap between you and them widens every single day. Stop for a second. Think about how much time you spent in the last month asking AI to write emails, do research, generate copy, this and that. Okay. So you are free to come to the sales page by any means you like and read everything here. Let's talk about in short what this is all about. Okay. So in short, if I have to show you what this is all about, is this is the guide. So it teaches online marketeers how to build AI agent system that run their business on autopilot, generating content, writing emails, researching affiliate offers, and creating digital products without constant manual input. This is what it is. This is a guide, a training. I don't know if this is a PDF training, it's a video training. I have no clue. Okay. Let me tell you the difference between my product, because I just noticed this difference. You come here, I have a freaking demo video. Okay. In my own voice, I have explained the product. How does it work? For example, review to profit. It's like a 10 minutes demo video in this one. And launch to profit, where is it? It's right here. Hang on, guys. This is it. This is the software. Actually, this is the actual software, and launch to profit is right here. Okay, so this launch to profit is a 22 minutes long demo video in my own voice, and review to profit is a 10 minutes long demo video, and this is AI Agent Empire. What I'm trying to say here is that you are selling something and you don't even have a demo video on the sales page. This product will sell because they have an existing audience, they have an existing email list. Okay, so they will get sales. That's not the problem. But I am talking about as a buyer's perspective. If you say this is going to teach you how to do all of this, then can't we have a demo video on the sales page which actually tells us, okay, what are we going to learn, or how the software is going to work? Can you demonstrate that to us? For example, if I'm asking you to go below my YouTube video and check out all my Warrior Plus products, and you come here and you click on these sales pages, then when you come to the sales pages, you actually see the freaking demo video and the whole thing. Okay, so which sales page looks more convincing to you? I told you already, they will get sales because they have an existing audience, and they will, those people who are into their email list, they will buy from them. That's fine. But in terms of sales pages, I think if you have the clear demo video of the product, that makes more sense. Okay. So for example, if you want to go and buy this review to profit from me, because this is my own AI launch, it creates all the affiliate products, the prompts for that. Okay. So go and check out the demo video, then only you'll understand what I'm saying. Okay. So go and check out this review to profit. I have explained everything, and this launch to profit, you can see it's coming soon at the bottom. You see, it's not live yet. I'm going to make it live next week. But if you want launch to profit access after watching the demo video before, next week, if you want it as soon as possible, then you can email me right here. Okay. You can email me and we can work around, we can do something about it. Okay. So let's do the quick recap of this AI agents empire. What does it do? It teaches people how to build. So it's a teaching. Okay. Now you have to decide, for example, I'm only comparing because I have the products to offer. Okay. So for example, they're giving you a guide, in which you can read or learn. And then I have some done for you products, launch to profit, review to profit. They are just softwares in which you just give some commands, you type in few keywords and they do the job. Okay. So the question for you is, do you want to learn everything, go through the teaching, go through the training and do it on your own? Or you want a done for you software in which you can see the demo right in front of your eyes first, and then you want to go and buy that software itself? So the choice is all yours, or you can even buy both. Okay. You can even buy this AI agents empire and go through the training, and you can even go to this launch to profit or review to profit and go and buy them because they are ready-made done for you software already. Okay. So the funnel is right here, or the front end will cost you, I think, $19 to start with. I don't think my links will be approved, so never mind. If my links will be approved, you will see below it will be saying here, grab AI agents copy, click on that link, then come to the sales page. Otherwise, I don't think the links will be approved. Okay. So what we got? We got some OTOs. Let's talk about that. So here are we. 1 second here. Okay, so we got Agents Empire $19. We have Social Media Edition $27. OTO 1, OTO 2 is this, OTO 3 is this. So you have to pay them more and more money. Okay, so obviously the business is business. Nobody is here for charity. You pay them, they make money, you make nothing. I sell you something or you buy from me, I make money, you make nothing. Okay, so you are on the receiving end. You have to be on the selling end somehow. Okay, that's why in the beginning I told you I'll tell you my real methods how to make real money on the internet. Okay, so let's do a quick recap. AI agents empire, if you find the link below, then go and buy from me, and this will teach you how to do everything with AI. Okay, and my products, for example, you click on this warrior plus thing here and come, and this review to profit is ready to buy. It's live right now. You can go and buy this. Launch to profit, if you want to buy this, then you have to contact me personally on this email, because this is not live yet. Okay, as of when I'm recording this video, it's not live yet, so you have to wait, or just email me and then we can work around. Okay, if you want to buy this before launch. So now just watch the video till the end, because I'm going to talk about how to make money, serious real money, for a number of years to come using my links below, and also I'll give you bonuses, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Alright guys, we are done with the review, and now we are going to talk about some serious stuff. So make sure you watch the video till the end. This is going to clear your mind and you will be able to think straight that what do you want to do after watching this video. So if you like the review so far, then subscribe, like and share. Okay. Now below my video you will find a lot of links. Okay, links will be here and there. So I will talk about each and every link and try to wind this video within 10 minutes. So just pay attention. Now, the screen had been flashing that you can book consultation and you can talk to me one-to-one, right? So that link will be somewhere here. It says book consultation. Okay, so find that link which says book consultation and then go on to that link. Now, why consult? So let's talk about those people who are maybe newbies, okay, or they have tried everything. You might be thinking about making money online, how to start, or you might have tried few things but still no success. Okay, and you're again busy in your work life and you're busy in your personal life, how to balance, how to find time, how much time, how to go about your make money online journey. If you are confused and you don't have clarity in your head, then you can ask these questions to me in one-to-one call, and I can give you a roadmap. I can clearly, honestly tell you if make money online is actually even for you or not. Okay, I will not give you some false hopes that, oh yes, you can do everything. you know, I'll see, I mean, depending on the way we talk to each other, if you're too busy in your personal and professional life, and you're making money in your job or whatever you do, and you don't have time, then you don't need to come online to make money, so it all depends. If you again are a newbie maybe, or you just don't know what to do, because you might have tried email marketing for a few days, you might have tried the website, creating website, you might have tried this, that, you might have purchased solo ads, but it didn't work. So whatever your situation is, you can write all the questions, and you can consult with me on audio call 1-to-1 for 40 minutes, and I can guide you what's the best, what could be the best method for you to go from here on. Okay, and I will talk about the methods which I personally use. For example, I do trading here, I do these YouTube videos which is publicly visible, you can see. Before that, let me show you a recap of my online career. So if you go to my YouTube channel right here, and then go to my playlist, okay, so when you come to the playlist right here, and then if you scroll down, you see this one saying affiliate product reviews. So I have done 1645 reviews by now already in last 4 or 5 years. Okay, so in 5 years I have done more than 1600 reviews. I don't have to prove anything to anybody now. Okay, so 4 years ago, I think 3 years ago, maybe 3.5 years ago, I stopped doing these reviews, and then I changed my field to forex trading, as you can see here. So you can see a lot of forex trading videos. It's more than 600 videos on forex trading, more than 1600 videos on this affiliate marketing. So I know what I'm doing in my field. Okay, so you can see everything. My whole journey is on YouTube. I was making these YouTube videos first, and then I learned forex trading, and now coming back to this these links below here. So either you can go and talk to me first, click on this book work consultation, click on this link here. Okay, and then you can go ahead and book 40 minutes consultation with me. As you can see here, you can click on this is $97 for 40 minutes. You click here and you pay the amount. That's it. Okay, and you can just email your schedule, that when do you want to talk to me. You can email me even before making the payment, or you can email me after the payment, and we will go ahead and schedule the call as per your availability, or as per your available timing. Okay, so if you want to speak with me 1-to-1, you can do that in $97 40 minutes, and we can discuss which method will be suitable for you to proceed with making money online. Or you can talk to me about anything. It doesn't have to be about trading only. It can be about how to make money on YouTube, how to start with email marketing, how to maybe learn trading, because I do have the mentorship program. We'll talk about that. So to clear your mind, and to get the clarity in your head that okay, this is what I want to do, and this is how I want to do it. For that, you can consult with me if you want. Okay, and then we come here, and then this is called Swing Like a Pro. So when you click on Swing Like a Pro, you will come to this page, where not this page actually. Sorry guys, let me refresh this. I have just updated the page, so I'm going to refresh this now, and let me scroll down. There you go. So I'm gonna open it now. And when you come to this page right here, then you enter your name, email. You can watch this video as well if you want. After you put in your email and everything, then you will come to this page right here. Okay, and here you can see these videos. These are the trades which I have taken in the recent past. Okay, and you can play any of these videos, and you will see how do I do these. And these are short videos, like 2-3 minutes long videos each. So this just proves my skill. Okay, so you can go and check out everything here. And in case you are interested in working with me, swing trading and automation, this is called forex trading, then you can join this mentorship program. Okay, it's not for everybody, it's for people who got the money already. Okay, if you're broke, it's not for you. Cool, you are broke, no problem, it's not for you. It's only for people who can invest the money. Okay, so that's number one, Swing Like a Pro. For people who want to get into my mentorship program and you have the money to invest, then you can go and start learning this by coming to the first link, and then follow the instructions and check out more proofs here. Then we have the link here says check out my Warrior Plus products. So in case you want to check out my AI products, you can click on this document here, and anything which I will be launching on Warrior Plus, you can check out those products here, and you can buy them if you want to. Okay, and what else we got? We got one more major product, which is Make Money on YouTube. Okay, so when you click on Make Money on YouTube, you come to this page right here, and then you can check out this testimonial. You can enter your name, email, and once you do that, then you will come to this page right here. This is YouTube monetization. So you will be able to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just maybe 2-3 weeks after you go through the training. Okay. So this is almost 17 hours long YouTube training program for serious people who want to make a career on YouTube. Okay. As you can see, I do YouTube videos continuously. A lot of people are coming on YouTube as well. Not only me, you can do that as well, because YouTube is the most high quality traffic you could ever get. For example, on YouTube, you are watching as a human, I am making this video as a human, so we can relate. But when you do something else, when you do email marketing, this marketing, that marketing, yes, you get sales here and there, but in that you don't have personal direct one-to-one connection. Right now you can listen to my voice, so you know I can trust this guy. Okay, so if you want to make money on YouTube, you can see all the proofs on this page. Come here and check out everything in your own free time. But it does work, and you on YouTube you can make money with multiple ways. If if you make a review, somebody else will buy something from your video, you get a sale, you make money. And even on top of that, you can make money with YouTube ads if your YouTube channel is monetized. And this program will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in just maybe 2-3 weeks only. So go and get this traffic Jarvis if you want. This is for people who want to make money on YouTube. And then we have one more link. It says get 100 email leads per day. So if you click here, again enter your email and everything, and then go to the next page, and you can get sales like these. You see here, I have been getting sales like these from number of years, and this is reoccurring commission. This will not make you rich. This is not gonna bombard you. But if you want extra, maybe $200, $300, $200, $300 per month, it will just help you with that. Okay. But again, everything comes with consistency. It's not like, oh, you buy something and then everything works. No, it's consistency, discipline, and you have to commit to it and work, and then only you make money. Making money online is difficult than making money offline. Okay. Offline, you can go and drive a taxi and you can make money. Online, you can't do that. Online, you can't drive the taxi. Okay. So coming back here, let's do a recap. The recap, and also I'll give you the bonuses. So in the beginning, I think I told you I'll give you the bonuses. So for the bonus here, you come here and you will get 3 bonuses from me. Number 1 bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review in the beginning, if you go and buy that, then you will get this free autoresponder, and you will also get the copy of Kiss Jacking. Kiss Jacking is exactly doing these reviews on YouTube. So you will learn that in this 2 hours of training if you go and buy this product from me. And then Forex Profit Machine Beginners PDF Guide, 11,000 words. So if you know nothing about this Forex trading, you will get this bonus in which you can read these 11,000 words in your free time, and you can get familiar with this Forex trading concepts if you're totally a beginner. This will help you surely, because this guide is for beginners only who know nothing about Forex trading. Okay. So let me these are the bonuses you will get when you go and buy the product using my link below, which we have discussed in the beginning. And if you have any questions, you can always email. So let me go ahead and do a quick summary of what we have discussed. So if you're a newbie, if you are not making money, if you're confused, you don't have clarity, you don't know what to do, and you want step-by-step guidance, if you want to consult with me, if you want to talk to me one-to-one, then find the link which says book consultation. Okay, somewhere you will find the link below my video. It will be saying book consultation. Then you click on that link, come to this page right here. For 40 minutes, that will cost you $97. You click here and you make the payment, or you can email me first and we can discuss the availability and the timing. Whatever suits you, we can talk to you at that time. Okay, so you can book one-to-one consultation if you want, and then you can choose any method of your choice. You can choose to learn trading with me or from me. You can work with me and you can do this forex trading, which I do. If you have the funds to invest, then trading could be for you. But if you're not that kind of if you don't have that kind of budget, for example, you don't have 10,000, 20,000 to invest in trading, then it's not for you. I mean, minimum, I would say 5,000 to start within trading. Okay, if you have flexibility with the funds, go into trading. If not, then you can start with the YouTube. As I have told you, you can go and make YouTube videos and make money, or you can start with email marketing. No matter what you do, it comes with consistency and discipline only. Okay, and if you go and buy the product using my link below, I'll give you these bonuses, right? So if you have any questions, always book one-to-one consultation. And thank you for watching. And till then, subscribe, like, and share. Take care.